Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a Minecraft Microsoft account. So first, go ahead and launch your web browser, go to minecraft.net, and in the top right corner, you'll get the option of account. Click on this drop-down menu right here and click on the sign in option. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can directly click on this option right here and you'll be logged in instantly. Otherwise, click on the sign up button to create an account. Select your country and region, then enter your date of birth, click on next, and here enter the email address that you want to associate with your account. And now you need to enter the code that has been sent to you by Microsoft to verify. So access that email and copy the code, paste it right here in these boxes, enter your first name, select next from the bottom. Here, go through a verification process and your account will be created. And now you can customize your profile. Finally, click on Let's Go and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.